Decorations can improve the functionality of both interior and exterior spaces. While decorations can make your home more beautiful, they make it more organized also. You can't just go ahead and decorate a dirty or disorganized space, you will have to tidy up first. If you have been finding it difficult to put a room to use, you should decorate it. This will make it more ready to serve whatever purpose you want it to. Decorations can help repurpose a space. Decorations can make your rooms more suitable for specific purposes. For example, a nursery should be repurposed when your children are all grown. Decorations made the space ideal for babies, just like they can also make the room suitable for other uses. If you are wondering what type items to use or your home or office decoration, consider wooden furniture and wooden decorative pieces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The living room is one of the most important spaces in any home. It serves as a gathering space for family members and also a welcoming space for guests. As the living room is a public space, you need to be very particular about your furniture arrangement. Make a detailed layout of what furniture pieces you will be using before going to purchase or make any of them. Our rooms should tell the story of who we are. Decorating is like expressing the chapters of your life through items. Decorating helps you be creative. It can give you a creative outlet, a hobby, something to do and practice when you have free time. Expressing yourself through your home is no different than expressing yourself through art. Think of your home as your canvas and you are the artist. Home decorating also allows you to create a space that supports your lifestyle. Whether you like to entertain a lot, read books, practice yoga, or cook, decorating gives you the tools you need to create spaces around your lifestyle choices. That is the magic of decorating. You literally have the power to make your space how you want. Your space is your space, and decorating gives you the ability to design spaces around your lifestyle and what works the best for you and your family. Using wood as your furniture and decorating piece is chosen due to several reasons. One such reason is sustainability, which makes wood stand out among other objects. Some woods have become threatened by over-harvesting, and mahogany is a case in point here. Be sure to buy furniture that is made of sustainable wood. This is where trees are planted to replace those that have been cut down. Whereas with other materials you don't usually have an option, with wood you can choose an ecologically sound method of furnishing your home or office. A beautifully decorated home is proven to have a positive effect on our moods. It is important for us to surround ourselves with things that we think are beautiful, as well as things that represent some part of us. This way, home is a place that we look forward to being, not just because it is our space but because it is our beautiful space. If you live with a culture of open house events, you're bound to entertain family and guests from time to time. While these get-togethers are typically fun and exciting times with your loved ones, they can also be hard to plan without the right furniture. Since most of these group activities take place in the dining room, it's crucial to find the right kind of dining table to accommodate everyone. The problem of seating becomes even more evident when you have a small home. The solution in this case is finding a dining table for small spaces. This is where the round dining table design becomes elementary to hosting guests. Similarly, you can decide on what type, shape and size of furniture pieces to use by considering their proposed purpose and the prospective users. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.